Hi, I'm Matt Burns, Technical Marketing Manager at Samtec. Today we're coming to you from the floor of Supercomputing 21 in St. Louis, Missouri. Here at Supercomputing, we're featuring a demonstration platform that combines 112 gigabit per second PAM4 silicon from our partner AlphaWave with Samtec's extreme performance, extreme density NovaRay I front panel interconnect system. So what are some of the key features of this demonstration platform? Let's take a look. This particular platform from AlphaWave features their latest 112 gigabit per second PAM4 SerDes silicon. As the signals leave the SerDes, they pass through the PCB and then into Samtec's Bullseye high performance test point system. The signals then route through Bullseye over to NovaRay SI evaluation kits for both mezzanine and wire-to-board applications. Let's take a deeper look at the high-performance flyover cable and front panel cable assemblies that we have in our 112 gigabit per second PAM4 demonstration. In one part of the system, we see a NovaRay to QSFP-DD flyover cable assembly. This attaches to a QSFP-DD MSA cage that attaches to the front panel of our emulation system. Attached to the QSFP-DD sockets is an off-the-shelf 1 meter long 30 gauge DAC. The second part of our demo features a NovaRay to NovaRay I flyover cable assembly, our NovaRay I front panel brackets, and exclusively from Samtec, a NovaRay I front panel DAC. Looking at the QSFP-DD signals versus the NovaRay I signals, the channel loss over the entire system is equally the same. Why is that significant? Even though the channel loss on each portion of the demo is equal, you'll see that we can get twice the length on our NovaRay I cables versus a standard off-the-shelf 1 meter DAC. The eye diagrams also show that we have increased signal performance, higher density, and higher speeds with NovaRay I versus off-the-shelf QSFP-DD DAC solutions. So what are the key takeaways of our demonstration platform? Mainly, NovaRay I is the highest performance, highest density, smallest form factor front panel I/O interconnect system in the industry. With the same channel budget of NovaRay I versus QSFP-DD, we get twice the length and twice the density. For more information on NovaRay I or this technical demonstration, please visit our website at samtec.com or email our technical experts at sig@samtec.com.